Tab, trust, transparency, and bringing value directly back to you. And I really feel that we're on the path to doing that.
First and foremost, we want to open up the marketplace to sellers as well as buyers in a slightly different way to how I'd considered before. And what we're basically thinking is presenting ourselves as an alternative to selling your property. So more probably for developers and large landlords rather than end users at the moment.
I mean, the more I've looked at this business and the more I've got stuck into building this app, the more I recognise that there is no chance of me ever buying property again in the old traditional ways.
So tell me again what... Yeah, look, I was always happy to work with you guys. I just think you went AWOL, didn't you?
I am so dedicated to this app that the only way I can ever see myself buying property is on the Tab application. And if you've got any interest in doing that, all I ask you to do is register 3 tiny bits of information: your name, your email address, and your telephone number on tabapplication.com or tabhq.com, so that I can at least keep you up to date with what I'm up to.
It's nice because this is one of the quietest buildings, and it's nice to have a bit more of a buzz with you guys and all your guests coming in. It's a lot busier, which is nice.
Nothing ever seems to be too much trouble. We did always plan on getting our own printer, but it seems easier to just sign up.